Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can use Gemini AI. So firstly, let's get started. Just go to your web browser and type Gemini AI, and then go with this first link which says Gemini. Just go over there, and then now go down and you'll be having this option which says chat with Gemini. Just choose that. And then you'll be over here in this particular platform. Now you can enter anything that you want Gemini to do. So let me just say write a email of leave for 1 day in college, and then it will process guys like this, and then it will show you guys. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you use your Gemini app or Gemini AI. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. And if you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.